So in this video, we are going to see how we can set path in Java. So basically, why we need this bit. You can see here, first you have to set the path, especially you have to run the Java programs or your Java application so that you can execute your Java application from anywhere. You can have in any directory, or you can run your application. Okay, so now you can see, basically when you first install Java, you can see there are, this is the particular path where your Java is actually installed. So you can see in C drive, we have program files folder, and in this folder, we have Java folder. Inside this, we have JDK 1.8, and inside this, we have bin folder. Okay, you can install any version of your Java. So for any version, you can see there are different directories you can have. For example, you have installed the Java version 16. So you can see here that we have basically JDK 1.8. So you can have JDK 1.16.0 or whatever the version you have installed. But the process is same for every particular Java path installation. Means you have to set the path for any particular version. So how you can do this? Let's see. So if you install, suppose you have installed your Java, okay, you have to run the setup, and you can download it from anywhere. We have different websites also. You can also download from the Oracle website. Okay, so now you can see, if you first install Java, so you can go to the program files. Okay, inside this program file, you can see here there is a Java folder automatically created when you first time install the JDK. Okay, so now you can see there are two folders available here. The first one is JDK 1.8 and the second one is JRE, that is Java Runtime Environment. So in the first folder, if you open this folder, here different folders also available. So you have to go to the bin folder where all your supported files related to Java is actually available here. Okay, so this is the path you have to set it. So just copy this path till bin. Now next you have to do is, you have to select on this PC and select the properties. Now you can go to the advanced system settings available. Okay, so now you can see here, click on this advanced system settings and now select environment variables. So when you click this environment variable, and this is under the system properties. Now go to the environment variable. Now you can see there are different variables and their values are available. Okay, so in this variable that is available in the system variable, you can see here there is a path. Okay, so what you have to do, if you have not installed or you have not set the path, so what you have to do, you don't have to delete it. Okay, because this will create a problem for another software also. Okay, so what you have to do is, you have to go to the edit option. Okay, so I have already set the path, but I will show you how you can do it when you first set your path. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. Now click on OK. So now what you have to do, you have to select the path and go to the edit option. Now when you open this, you can see there is no path available for the Java. So what you have to do is, you have to select the new option and you have to paste the path that you have copied it till bin. Okay, so now it is available in the C directory of the program files in the Pro Java. Now you can go to the JDK 1.8. So if you install JDK 1.16, then you have to copy that particular path, and till bin you have to copy it. Now click on the OK button. Again you have to click on the OK, and now again click on the OK. Okay, so this is the process, and you have to do this process only once. You don't have to repeat this again and again for a particular system. Means when you have installed Java and you have set the path, this is your permanent path setting. Now you can see how you can verify that your path is properly set or not. Just go to the command prompt. Okay, now you can type Java C and click. This ensures that now your Java compiler is basically available. You can compile your Java code from anywhere, and you have to run Java. Now you can see this is also recognized from anywhere. So this ensures that your path is properly set. Okay. Now I'll show you a very simple program, how you can compile it and how you can run it using the particular. You have already installed the path. So now you can run your Java application or Java program from anywhere. Okay. So I'll show you a very easy program. Just open the notepad, or you can write it in any editor. You can use any editor. You have Notepad++, Sublime, VS Code. Okay, I'm just using the notepad, creating a simple class named as A. Now we have to declare white main. Inside this we have an argument as a string array. Now inside this we just print a simple string system dot out dot println. And inside this, what you have to do, you have to just print a simple message. Okay, so in the system class we have an output string, and inside this we have a method that is println. Now what you have to do is you have to display a particular string. So I'm writing here ABES. Okay, now you can see we have a string named as ABES Engineering College, and you have to run this program. Okay, now I'm going to save this program. So I will save. Okay, I'm just save this as a.java, the extension of the program. And now you have to save as type select as all files. Okay, I simply select the D drive, and inside this drive I will save it. Okay. Okay, so what I have done, I've created one program named as a.java, and the name of the class is also A. Now I'm going to run this program. So with the help of command prompt, okay, I will change the directory to D drive. Now in D drive, I have directly stored the program name as a.java. So what I have to write is javac a.java. So if there is no error, it basically compile it, and now this particular program generates a class file named as a.class, which contains the bytecode related to the program. Okay, so now this bytecode directly interpreted by Java, and you have to write the name of the class only. You don't have to write a.class, just you have to write Java and then A. Now you can see we have the output of the program, what we have written here. So here you can see that the output is ABES Engineering College is generated. So this is a process by which we can run the Java program. It's a very easy way by which you can run your program, which is located on any directory in any folder. Okay, just you have to remember that first you have to set the path. Then after setting the path, you can run your program from anywhere. Okay, so this is the first video. After this we will start learning our Java series, by which in this particular we have just compiled it. In the next video we are going to start the basics of Java and how we can compile, how we can run from different IDEs also, like NetBeans we have. We can also start learning the how we can run Java program using NetBeans IDE also. Okay, thank you.